So this is the most important thing in Gayatri. When I am talking about Gayatri, I am talking about the breathing process. And when I am talking about the breathing process, I am also talking about the way of thinking. Now, other slide, theta and delta. The theta is a state of mind which is in deep meditation. And delta brainwave is a restorative stage of deep sleep, strong empathy. Healers, counselors, helping professionals all practice this delta wave pattern. In Sanskrit and in the Hindu language, we call it theta as ahankara and delta as chitta. Mano, buddhi, chitta, ahankara. These 4 levels of consciousness is the levels of knowledge. And in Sanskrit we call knowledge as Vedas. So these are the 4 Vedas. And Gayatri Mantra, Param Puja Gurudev says, as the mother of the Vedas, Veda Mata. Now come back to 3. I just wanted you to remember this so that when I am discussing it, you will understand I am talking about these 3 levels. The importance of life, we have it. Especially the human beings have a very special role. Even though many of the Plato or I don't remember who said man is a social animal. Mano ek samajik jantu hai. Social animal. I don't remember. Who is it? It's okay. Just what I want you to know is I am not telling, is some great man is telling. Then what is the difference between the other animals and human being? Can you tell me what is the difference? Except, of course, an objection is there for monkeys and apes and the way we walk. Majority of the animals have a horizontal backbone. But humans, upright backbone. Now, when we talk about the importance of life, the fundamental difference of a human being and an animal, and when I say animal, spiritualists talk about 4 points of animal nature. He says it is necessary to human beings also because they are also animals, but developed animals. Their backbone becoming 90 degrees. And many times I used to say why 90 degrees is called the right angle, R-I-G-H-T angle. Because it is right. From animal state, 90 degrees, a right angle. So this right-angled change from the animal to a well-developed animal or the most supreme animal or the king of the animals, they have 4 in common. Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maidhunanja. The sages say that food is common to animals and man. Nidra, sleep, common to animals and man. Fear, common. And Maidhuna, self-development. These are common to human beings also and to all animals. Then what is the difference from this right-angled backbone? Is dharma, religion. And unfortunately, when we talk about religion, dharma, we have a feeling that it is something beyond this life. But when you say dharma, what literally it means is properties. Rasayanika dharma, bhautika dharma. Dharma means properties, either physical properties or chemical properties. So the importance of life is, if you understand the properties of the physical life, and if you understand the properties of the subtle life or the vital life, And if you can understand the properties of the mind, and beyond mind there is another consciousness which we call divine consciousness, or what we call the cosmic consciousness. So when the human being wants to know the properties of the physical life, the subtle life or the mind, and the cosmic life, the three levels, that is where the Gayatri 3 charanas comes. There are three formulas very clearly given in Gayatri. In the physical life, it is the sun who is most dominant. Wherever you want to find life, even the scientists, when they explore the various planets, if they find water is there, of course the sunlight is there on planets. So the water is there, the life is there. So to understand life, there are two basic powers which you have to utilize: the energy of the sun and the energy of water. And on planet Earth, the sunlight is so exactly placed where you get so many seasons. In other planets, either they are very close to the sun or very far away to the sun, distance, the planets. So if they are far away, cool, no life is possible there. If it is nearer to the sun, burning. The planet Earth is so placed that you have the cycle of seasons because of the huge reservoir of water, sea. Only on planet Earth you have such a huge reservoir of water. And of course the sun is there, the life is there. Tat Savitaru Varenyam, that is the formula it says in Gayatri Mantra, that the entire life is based on sunlight. And do you think it is scientific or spiritual, this statement? The entire life is based on the existence of solar light. What is your opinion? You call it is a spiritual belief? It is not a fact? You just believe it, or you say it is a fact? And if you say it is a fact, it is a science. So that is where the jump of these classes from something unwanted is now going to becoming the source of power and strength and vitality to make earth a heaven. So the first point, utilize sunlight and water. We are utilizing it, but we are not utilizing it as according to the properties of sunlight and water. We will discuss it later. I just can't discuss it in such a class. Those things, we need something practical.